Hi traders! So, in today's video I am in a deep jungle with white jaguars and huge snakes. But you know, I'm stronger and faster. So, because you know, I'm a trader, and if you want to be a trader you have to be stronger and faster than the deep jungle in South America. So, in today's video I will talk about optimizations, and optimization is just so important in trading that you have to watch this video in full length, and you can't quit, because if you quit you are a loser. So let's start this video by the first reason why optimization is the best tool for your algorithmic and your manual trading as well. And believe me, because I'm really just a veteran in optimizations and in EA trading. So the first thing, I hope that all of you know what optimization is actually, because you have to adapt to the market changes if you want to be successful. So, but I just talk a little bit about optimization and what is it. So, optimization is basically a process where you have your manual trading strategy or your algorithmic trading setup, your robot, and you have parameters, and you know, you are just a human. How would you know what are the perfect parameter combinations in your EA for your indicators, for your price action values and stuff? You don't know it, and so you have to just use a genetic algorithm for this job, and basically it will give you a good combination of parameters for your trading robot and for your trading strategy basically. And there are some misconceptions about optimization, so in this video I will reveal the truth. First of all, when you start to optimize your EAs, don't be a fool, because I know many of you are fools, but you have to get better at trading and at life. And I have to tell you that the first thing is about optimization. Don't look at those stupid charts, because if you look at those charts you are a moron, because I know you like just beautiful curves, you like those, you know, like a painting, like the woman of your dreams. I know you like it, like, you know, they are beautiful as a butterfly in a jungle, but that doesn't matter in trading, because if you look at the charts and those beautiful equity curves, you will fail, because it is probably over optimized and curve fitted anyway. But other than that, you have to look at, and it is a secret tip, you have to look at the average win and average loss ratios and compare it to each other, because that will give you just a really good advantage over the market. So this is the first tip. Don't look at the charts, but look at the actual statistics of your EA and your trading strategy, and you will be a much better trader. So the second thing is, and it is maybe the most important, you have to use tick data, and you have to use 99.9% tick data for your optimizations, because if you use low quality tick data you will fail anyway, because you don't have the necessary perspective of the market, because you use a data set that is just false, and you have many mismatched chart errors, and you have a low just tick data quality, and that means that even if you see your beautiful curves, your beautiful charts, and your actually beautiful data statistics that are, you know, what matters, you are nothing, because you don't have the real data, and you have to use spread. You have to use spread in your optimizations and your backtest, because if you don't use spread, commission and swap in your optimizations and backtest, you have a very just false result, and you will be surprised when you optimize your EAs and it seems really great based on the statistics and the mathematics, but when you try to use it in real life markets, you will fail every time, and it is because you don't listen to the details, because you are not used to the jungle and how good you have to be if you want to survive. But you have the ability to learn from the best, and that is me. So I have a pro tip for you, and it is actually my method how I optimize and backtest my EAs, and it is the following. So you have to go back 10 years from now in the past, and you have to do the following. You have to optimize your EA for 2 years, and here is the trick. You have to backtest your EA for the next 2 years after the optimization period, because if you backtest your EAs for the optimization period itself, it means that you have a false conception of what optimization is, because optimization is not for the backtest. Optimization is for the real life trading. So if your EA has a great strategy and you actually have a system that is viable, your EA will perform good after the 2-year optimization, when you have the 2-year period that wasn't optimized before. So, and do this for the last 10 years, and every time 2-year optimization and 2 years backtest, because I see almost every trader think that if they optimize their EAs, that means that it will perform just godly in the markets in the future, but they just don't have the courage. They are not brave enough to admit that if they would do the following, to optimize for 2 years and then backtest for the other 2 years that wasn't optimized, their EAs would fail miserably. And so this is my strategy. It is a basic strategy, but it will give you a really whole new conception about what is the market, and how difficult it is to actually be profitable in the market. And it is not what scammers and other just YouTube influencers tell you. So this was today's video. I go and just chase some jaguars for fun. Ciao.